Hey everybody, today we're gonna make a creamy, cheesy keto broccoli cheese soup. Can't wait for you guys to try it.
Welcome back to our kitchen where we're about to whip up a keto masterpiece, creamy broccoli cheese soup. To kick things off, heat up 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil in a large pot over medium-low heat. Next, toss in 1 small diced onion and let it sauté until it's softened and releasing its fragrant aroma, about 3 to 4 minutes. For a sweeter caramelized flavor, add a pinch of salt to help draw out the moisture from the onions. Now don't be shy with the garlic. Mince up 2 cloves, or more if you're a garlic enthusiast like me, and add them to the pot. Let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes, infusing the kitchen with that irresistible garlic scent. Once the garlic is fragrant, it's time to introduce our star ingredient, 2 cups of chopped broccoli florets. Pro tip, don't discard the broccoli stems, they're just as tasty and nutritious as the florets. Peel and chop them up to add extra depth to your soup. Let the broccoli mingle with the onions and garlic for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing them to soak up all that savory goodness. Now, here's where the magic happens. Pour in 3 cups of chicken or vegetable broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. As the broccoli simmers away, it tenderizes and infuses the broth with its vibrant green hue. While the broccoli works its magic, why not multitask? Throw some bacon in a skillet and crisp it up to perfection. Crumbled bacon makes for the ultimate crunchy topping for our creamy soup. Once the broccoli is tender, it's time to blend everything together. Whether you opt for an immersion blender or a regular blender, be cautious when blending hot liquids to avoid any kitchen mishaps. Now for the crowning touch. Gently incorporate 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 3/4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese into the soup. Here's a top-notch tip. Allow the cheese to reach room temperature beforehand for an exceptionally smooth and lump-free texture. This simple step guarantees creamy perfection in every spoonful. After seasoning your soup to perfection with salt and pepper, it's time to get creative with the toppings. From a dollop of sour cream to a sprinkle of paprika or some crispy, crumbled keto-friendly crackers, the choice is yours. As you dish up this creamy delight, don't forget to save some for later. Doubling the recipe in freezing portions ensures that you'll always have a comforting bowl of keto goodness on hand whenever the craving strikes. And speaking of cravings, join us next time at Tasty Travels Together for a mouth-watering journey into the world of keto sausage and cauliflower casserole. Trust me, it's a dish that'll have you coming back for seconds and thirds. Until then, happy cooking, and may your kitchen adventures be as flavorful as they are fulfilling.